Hi guys, just wait a minute. Oh yeah, okay. So we're playing speed. Okay, let's do this. No, unique. I don't want to. Wait, hey, let's run. Ow, ow. So speed run is like a Roblox lobby, like kind of or like similar to Roblox lobby. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Whoa! 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 Okay. Wait. Okay. Okie dokie. So, yep. Oh. Ow. Okay. Yep. Okay. One. Oh no! Come on! This is lagging. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Yep. Yep. What is happening to Roblox today? It's all like lagging. Oh my gosh. Hey, come on! This is so hard. Skip level. We need 25 more Robux. I don't. Hey. So hard. The point is, like, it's lagging, so it's hard. So I don't know where it's going. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Ugh. And finally, I'm on the finishing line. Oh, I played like 6 times. And so on. Oh, level 2. You got 2 gems. Oh, ooh. Can I see? What can you buy? Wait, buy gems. Game Pass. 25 Robux. Whatever. Okay. I'm not going to give up. So. Ow. Ow. Wait. Just walk. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Reps. Hey. Okay. Walk. You need to just walk because you don't know what is happening, like above you. So, oh no! Oh, this is nearly. Oh, this is just so hard. Oh, whip. Oh. This is too hard. Oh, you cannot touch the cactus. If you touch it, you'll die. Oh, yay! I'm on the next level. Oh, I got it. What? Okay. Ow! Oh, it's like it's lagging. Ow. So hard. Okay. Oh. Right. Zoom out and okay. Oh. Oh. This is just too hard. I don't know. And it's also lagging, so it makes it more harder. I guess. Oh. Okay. Here. Oh, finally. Oh my gosh. This is just too hard. Oh. Yes. Yum. 2 gems. Oh, yeah. Okay, the point is it's lagging. So, oh, my friend! Sniper over Owen RJ. Oh, hello, Owen. Hello. Hello. Wait. Sniper Owen RJ. Oh, he's my friend. Okay. Okay. Hello. You see me? I'm on level 4. Oh, hello. Okay, he's my friend, so yeah. Mr. Sniper. Okay. Why is this so hard? Okay. This is just getting too hard. Oh, no. No. Okay. This is the end of the video because it's just too long. So I hope you subscribe me, and thanks for please subscribe and hit the ring button, or not ring button, what do you call this? Whatever. And click the bell ring and whatever. Oh no. Please, click on the button that says notification so you subscribe and watch my new videos. Bye.